Hi, this is Dr. Matt Bader from Cognitive Psychiatry of Chapel Hill, and I was just hoping to take a few moments with you today to speak about three crucial steps to take in overcoming addiction. Now, of course, everyone's journey to sobriety or abstinence is different and unique, and there's probably more than three steps that need to be taken. But the hope is that these are three important and commonly helpful steps, and thus will help either you yourself or someone that you know who's struggling with addiction. Now, the first crucial step relates to the Alcoholics Anonymous phrase of people, places, and things. Now, this step basically relates to the things in that sentence or that statement. When one is actively struggling with addiction, you find that the people, the places, and the things around you all support and drive that addiction. Thus, if you're looking to overcome your addiction, it's important to cut out or minimize the people that were using drugs or alcohol with you, the places where you were using, and the things that you associated with using. That's a really tough step, but it's important, and it can make a big difference in terms of maintaining abstinence or sobriety. Now, the second crucial step relates to the people, places, and things, and it's the fact that you're going to have a lot of free time on your hands if you're not using anymore. So, the important step is to fill up that free time. Basically, the opportunities or the options are endless here. If you always wanted to go horseback riding or take up knitting or skydiving, go ahead and do it. The important thing is that you want to fill up your time and minimize the downtime, because in downtime, often people who are overcoming addictions will begin to think about using or start having cravings. So you want to minimize that downtime as much as you can. Stay busy. And the important thing to remember is to do this with sober, clean friends or family, so that you minimize the risk of re engaging in the addiction, right? And now, the third step, and a very important step, is to not beat yourself up if you do relapse or you do have a difficult time in some way. Addiction is a disease, and thus there's going to be times that are better than others and times that are worse than others. It's my hope, and I'm sure the hope of all of those around you, that you never use again. But if you do, it's important not to beat yourself up, not to think that you're going back to square zero, but rather learn from what happened. Learn from that mistake of relapsing, or what you see as a mistake, right? So you want to analyze it, take a look at it, and figure out what else you could have done differently. But the bottom line is, don't beat yourself up. I hope these three crucial steps have been useful and informative for you. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact me at the information below. Thanks, and have a great day.